Ready to ditch resales and unlock the booming world of new construction real estate in Colorado? First, you need to become a market research machine. Dive deep into which Colorado cities and neighborhoods are experiencing the most new construction growth. Websites like Zillow, Redfin, and local county records are your best friends here. Next, forge strong builder relationships, attend industry events, visit construction sites, and introduce yourself to project managers and sales teams. Understanding their inventory, incentives, and construction timelines is crucial. Now, let's talk building. You don't need to be a contractor, but familiarize yourself with the construction process from permits to inspections. Knowing the difference between a slab foundation and a crawl space will impress your clients and help you anticipate potential issues. Time to market like a pro. New construction requires a different approach than resales. Highlight the benefits of brand new homes, like energy efficiency, customizable options, and builder warranties. Use stunning visuals and virtual tour to showcase the properties. Finally, network. Join local real estate associations, attend builder open houses, and connect with other agents specializing in new construction. Collaboration is key to success in this niche. Master these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a sought-after new construction realtor in the thriving Colorado market. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.